like I'm in a PNT commercial. Hi guys, I'm Melissa Barrett and thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show you how I curl my hair. So let's get started. It's really easy in terms of the products that you need. The 4 things that I have in front of me right now is a flat panel brush, a little comb, good old hairspray, and a curling iron. My hair is naturally straight. I've always had long hair, and for the most part, if I let it dry by air dry, it might have a little wave. But after you get out of the shower and you're done blow drying your hair and you're ready to start curling, this is how I do it. A medium barrel curling iron. This is one that I picked up at Marshall's for around 40 to 80 bucks. And the brand is called ISO, I-S-O. And it is nothing special in terms of high end. To do is start off with a section of my hair. Now again, not grabbing too much, but just enough. And I like to do about 3 kind of twists around the barrel. Now what you're doing is you are wrapping your hair towards behind you, not in front of you. So when you're doing your curls, it's really important. And what I like is to hold the barrel on a slant instead of straight across. By holding it on the slant, you're naturally making the hairs kind of go in that direction. Again, I'll take another strand, and it's important not to grab too much. 1, 2, 3, and just let this curl. And not hold it for too long. You obviously don't want to burn your hair. And we're just gonna go back and forth like this. And I keep the curls, I don't run my fingers through it until the very end. So you wanna let them kind of cool down. So I separate now the ones that I've done versus the ones I haven't done. And it depends how much hair you have. I like to split it. So I've already done 3 sections. Now I probably will do 2 more. So I'm gonna grab this section. So that means I'll have 5 rows, and then I'll do 5 rows on the other side. So again, 1, 2, 3, curling away. So you're always wrapping towards the back. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and do the other side. Actually, we have 1 more piece. So this piece here hasn't been touched. And you can go in with your comb and kind of just pull those pieces. It's just, I'm gonna show you afterwards how I kind of soften these curls to make it look pretty. So after this is done, that is it. So our curling iron can go down, and I bring all the hairs to the front. So I'll kind of scooch back so you can see a little bit more. So really pretty soft curls. And now what I like to do, like I said, is how I did this side after I curled it. I didn't run my hands through it. I didn't run a comb through it right away. I needed it to kind of cool down. So that was perfect because while this was cooling down, I was focusing on this side. So now that this side is good to go, what I do is I use my fingers. So placing my hands on the top, and I gently claw out. So I kind of break these curls apart. So just like so, even if you grab like little pieces of your hair, look at the before and after. So here, obviously tighter, and here it's just like effortless. Use this little comb and kind of just comb through your hair. I like to do the ends so that way it looks soft. And then when that is done, I take my L'Oreal Paris Satin. This is the hairspray in Strong Hold. So it looks like this. Love this product. And just a light little mess. You don't need a lot of hairspray. You don't want it to be crispy and hard. So this hairspray I absolutely love because it keeps that hold all day long. And it just gives a little bit of that, that kind of, I guess, styling that you need. Now on this side that this is done kind of cooling, again, using my hands as claws, and I just kind of pull all the hairs out. So now that this is nice and soft, again, we're going back with the hairspray, and they have different holds that you can buy, so it's whatever the preference is for you. Ever since this hairspray came out, I've been in love with it, so it definitely is my go-to. A light little spray, and voila! Here we are. This is how you make this beautiful, soft, effortless curl, and you're good to go from day to night, the office and out afterwards, even on weekends, family barbecues. You just want a little bit of chicness and want to look a little bit more put together, let's say. This is how you do it. I hope this was helpful. Anything you want to learn about and want me to talk about, leave your comments below. You can find me on Instagram at MELISSABARRETTXO. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you.